You can see here that many sellers are selling their own designs for the phone cases. Today, I will show you how you can design phone covers like these on Etsy. Open Canva and customize the page according to your desired phone size. I have taken an iPhone 13. Here you can see various designs for iPhone covers. Let's start a new one. We take a blank page. Choose a background color. Now I will make stripes on it. Here it is, but I'm adding something to it to make it more personalized. You can add your name or any other text. Now I'll download and we'll generate the mock-up. You may use this in your Etsy listing or wherever you need it. Using Canva AI, I have generated the mock-ups. I did not like these illustrations, so I'm giving another command to generate the images. Well, not what I want. Let's have another try. This one is exactly what I wanted, a real mock-up.